I think I've been lucky in many ways. The first thing is that I learned programming in college. So I took it up as a 2-year course in college, which really, I think that's the best thing I've done in my life, which has helped me to good stead and I have also kept pace with it. So I have learned more languages along the way. I didn't stop at that, but just a genuine interest in programming and technology and knowledge around that area has really helped. Second thing is that I think I've been in companies where technology has been at the core. And that has kind of forced me a little bit to not just understand it better, but to learn a lot more about it. So about 15 years back, I took a conscious call to get more technology savvy and get more analytics savvy, because I decided without these two, I'm going to fail as a CFO in my life, right? And because of which I've done a lot of reading about technology. I've also done courses, on specific technology and so on. Artificial intelligence definitely being one of them, and nowadays it's easy to learn, right? With Coursera, with everything else that's existing, it's no longer exclusive. You don't need to have certain qualifications to do a certain course. So everybody can upskill, everybody can learn. And I find that that has been a big game changer. Currently, as of today, I'm learning blockchain because I don't know enough about it, right? So to your point, yes, we don't have a choice. I think we need to be there. And if you enjoy it all the more, like I do, I love to learn.